Three steps I took after waiting for a very long time without doing anything about my finances. Welcome back. In my last video, I talked to you about how I lost $100 because of my ignorance. Simply because I did not know how to open a Binance account. Simple method, but real money lost. $100. The question I received after that video was, so, Mary, what did you do after all what you went through? This is exactly what this video of today is all about, sharing the 3 steps I took after waiting for a very long time. The first thing I did was that I changed the word I was using on myself. I was calling myself bad with money, which is a flaw. I replaced that word with financially illiterate, which means there's a gap, and that gap can be filled with knowledge. I changed the word. I stopped calling myself the word that will make me to remain in one place. I started calling myself another thing that will move me to let me know more about money. The second step I took was I started writing down some things in my own word. I started learning one thing at a time about finances. Yes, I was learning about investments, the meaning of investment. I was learning about compound interest, what it really means. I was learning about assets. I was learning about liability. I did not take a course, and I did not enter any complicated investments, but simply learning one thing at a time, which has helped me, which is still helping me even up to now. I brought myself out of darkness, and I am walking in the light of knowing, and that knowing means learning one thing about finances at a time. The third thing I did really was somehow fearful, teaching in public, YouTube, Facebook, 2 pages on Facebook, teaching about financial freedom, teaching about building wealth. Now I am accountable to people. I have seen that the easiest way of stopping your journey to success is by stopping something that you are doing that nobody is aware of. But building in public has really helped me, because a lot of people are waiting to hear from me, and quitting was not easy for me. There is no way for me to stop, because a lot of people, thousands of people, are waiting to learn from my journey, and they are ready to walk along with me on this journey. That is why I have decided not to quit, but to continue on this journey. In anything we are doing, even the work we are doing, even though it's not about finances, try to be accountable. Let there be something that is pushing you to do that thing. If there is nothing that is holding you to accountable, or something holding you to be accountable, you can disappear and go into silence without anybody taking note of it. In all these steps I have taken, it's not as if it is so easy. It's not as if the journey is so smooth. It's not as if I am now an expert. I am still learning and I am still growing on this journey every day. That is why I want you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so we can move on this journey together and learn from each other. This is my journey and this is my story. I want you to stay on this channel because in my next video, I am going to be talking about the mistakes beginners make when they are trying to work their way to financial freedom. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching.